Welcome! In today's video, we're walking through how to allow sites to show sign-in prompts from identity services on Chrome. This update makes it easier for you to log in using your favorite accounts like Google or Facebook, without having to type your credentials again. It's quick and simple to set up, so let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your desktop or mobile device. Make sure you're running the latest version to access all the newest privacy and sign-in settings. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner and tap the three dots that's your main menu. From here, select Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see several different options that control your browsing experience. Scroll down until you find Site Settings, tap it to open the detailed Site Permissions page. Site Settings lets you decide what websites are allowed to do, such as showing pop-ups, accessing your camera, and in this case, sending sign-in prompts through third-party services. Now, look for the option labeled Third-Party Sign-In. Tap on it to open. You'll see a simple toggle switch next to it. By turning this feature on, Chrome will allow websites to display sign-in prompts from trusted identity providers. This means when you visit a site that supports it, you'll instantly see options like Sign in with Google or Sign in with Facebook, making login faster and safer. Once you've toggled the switch, Chrome will remember your preference automatically. You don't need to restart anything, the setting takes effect right away.